Welcome to qnawire.
Let M1 be the mass of electron and M2 will be the mass of the hydrogen atom. Mass of the hydrogen atom is 1840 times the mass of electron, which is M1. Then we can write the final velocity V2F to be 2M1 divided by M1 plus 1840 this is 1840 times mass 1 and times V1 initial here. This gives us 2 divided by 1841 V1 initial. We can compute then a final kinetic energy of a hydrogen atom will be 2 kF, that is 1 over 2 times M2 V2 F square. Substituting the value for the V2F here, which is 1 over 2 M2 2 divided by 1841 V1 initial square, and taking the ratio of K initial divided by K2F, we get 0.22%.